right, y'all. Come on in. I am Coach Tammy. I am with Coconut Wreath Co. in Springfield, Missouri. This is going to be perfect for your grill master person that you have. And you can even personalize this if you wanted to. Okay, and then I'm going to continue to just like that, just to give it some extra security. I'm going to come up here, and I'm going to go right to the 9. Perfect. It did not go through it, and it's going to hang just right and just straight. Okay? So what's funny is there are tailgate parties all the time at the Chiefs. Like, that's the thing to do. So I'm actually going to do this with some football ribbon, and I'm going to later on put like, welcome, we're grilling and chilling, waiting on dim Chiefs. So I think I'm going to do that. I'm just going to make a hand bow. And the bow's going to be a little bit smaller than the last one, I think. But somebody that tailgates is going to love this. I actually have a really good friend of mine that tailgates she has a camper, and she takes it up there every game. And they literally tailgate all day long. The games are electric, though. You gotta go to the games. So I was just thinking about this, and I don't necessarily want to use this. I am going to add one onto the back as well, but I'm going to do it as a tail. So I'm just going to skippy that right into the back, just like that. Turn it over. Okay. I'm just going to straighten it up and dovetail it. Okay. So we have this right here. Just another little bow. And if you didn't think of, like, I know Ohio State, they do a big Arkansas, and I'm going to cut these to make them more even, but a lot of those places do big tailgate parties, so don't feel left out. Okay. Oh my gosh, I really do like this, and I think I'm just going to stick it at the top. Ooh. I have some pepper bushes that I literally just looked over and saw, and I thought, oh, wait a minute. I'm just going to use 4 pieces of this. These are great little bushes from the Hubba Lubba. They're little pepper bushes, that's what I call them. I think they're like boxwood, but they don't look like boxwood. If you don't have a piece of foam handy, I have a piece of a pool noodle right here, but I would want to secure this first. Then I want to secure this to that. I'm telling you, I got some ideas that are ravaging my brain that have to come out. Because I thought about, I could just staple it all. But that would be a solution. I'm just telling you that would work. For this, I don't want to do it, but it would work. Okay, so I only use pushers when I'm doing this. Yep. And the reason is like for door hangers, see how that came right on out? All of it came out. I'm going to hit that with the tiniest little bit of glue on purpose. I don't need that stuff coming out of there if somebody goes to pull it on it. Okay. So I am just going to, all right, so I'm going to go right there in the middle. Totally missed it. Score. Totally missed it. What in the Sam Hill? Okay. I swear to God, I missed it 3 times in a row. You know why? Because I'm not paying attention to where that goes. Oh, for the love. Boom. That one ain't going anywhere, I can tell you that right now. I'm kind of doing a little starburst with this. Normally this is not how I would do it, but these aren't quite long enough like the other eucalyptus that I use. So that's why I'm doing them this way. That's why I wanted to use foam. But instead I'm using 9011 staples. Okay. Now that bow is going to go straight away on top of it. It's going to be just fine and dandy. It's going to hide all those guts we just created. Come in all the way to the middle. Oh, it did not take. There it goes. Come all the way to the middle. And when you're doing these, or anything like this, if you need a turnstile, just get a Lazy Susan, you guys. Just a Lazy Susan and work on them that way. A lot of times, a lot of people do them with wood. There. I always try and do one down front too. Now this little fella is going to be cut shorter. I'm just trying to give this some security down here. And nobody's going to see it. But I needed to be able to give him. Now, the top seems a little bit loose to me. So again, security is stapling all the way into where they all kind of meet up. It's real important to make sure of that. You don't want the staples visible. So I just always put them as far on the inside as I can get. Okay. I'm just going to baby these, warm that ribbon up, that wire up a little bit. Put some different colors in there. So I was just able to put a little bit of greenery in there. I still put the, and I'm holding it from the hanger, so it's going to be even.